this video, I'm going to show you how to create a route in K3 to upload data into RedShift or Snowflake with a CSV file. We'll start by adding a new route. Click the plus button. Choose the CSV upload adapter. To upload to RedShift, select the database, Amazon RedShift adapter. Next, name the route. In this case, we'll name it Data to RedShift. Now, we'll define how K3 will parse the file that we upload. Click Add Sample Data. Drag or copy and paste your CSV file into K3. K3 will automatically identify the columns that it needs to parse based on the file data. Click Configure Fields to see the field types and change them if needed. If everything here looks correct, click OK. Next, we'll set up the database adapter to Amazon RedShift. Click Database, Amazon RedShift, and then click Database Credentials. Input your credentials, the connection stream, which includes the database name, the username, and the password. Click Test Credentials to validate that you can connect to the database. If your credentials are correct, you'll see Successfully Connected at the bottom of your screen. Click OK. Now click Build Statement to ensure that when data flows through K3, it will insert into the RedShift tables. Specify the table and columns in RedShift that you want to insert into K3. When your insert statement looks correct, click Create. K3 will now create the route. Check that the fields from the CSV file map correctly to the RedShift fields. Click Save. Now let's see how to complete this same process for Snowflake. Click the plus button to add a new route. Just like before, choose the CSV upload adapter. Then select the database, Snowflake adapter. Click Add Sample Data. Once again, drag or copy and paste your CSV file into K3 so that we can define how K3 will parse the file that we upload. Click Configure Fields to see the field types and change them if needed. If everything here looks correct, click OK. To connect to your Snowflake database, click Database Credentials. Input your connection stream, username, and password credentials. Again, click Test Credentials to make sure you can connect to the database. If you see that Successfully Connected message, click OK. Now build the insert statement so that you can insert data into Snowflake. Select the table and columns in Snowflake that you want to insert into. Click OK. Now you have an insert statement that will get executed every time that data flows from the CSV file. Name your route if you haven't yet. We'll call this Data to Snowflake. Then simply click Create. Check over the source fields and click Save. Now you can simply flow data into Snowflake and RedShift using K3. To start using K3, visit getk3.com and get your data going.